Right? Now I want you to tell me why plants are important. Why are plants important to us?
They give oxygen and
Okay, that's good enough. What if we didn't have oxygen? What would happen?
we don't eat and we die.
Okay, yes. But what about animals? What would happen to animals if there weren't any plants?
Animals
Yes,
to die.
they would die. Which animals eat plants? Yes, Oscar.
Rabbit.
Okay, a rabbit eats plants. What other animals eat plants?
Cow.
Okay, yeah. And do we eat cows?
Yes.
Yes, we do. So if cows don't have plants, they would die. And we would have no cows. And if we didn't have any cows, we would have no...
Meat.
Well, we would not... Yes, we would have no meat. Okay. And what else... How else are plants useful? They're food. They give oxygen. What else? Yes, they make air. How else are they useful?
Some plants eat
How do we use plants?
we use
Okay, what about trees, for example? How are trees useful to us? How do we use trees?
eat
Yes, Jackie, how can we use trees?
we can
Make houses. Okay, what else?
make it
Make
fresh.
paper. Fresh. Okay, well, yeah, it cleans the air. Also, animals use, yeah, we can make chair, furniture, and different things. And also, animals use trees as a house, right? What animals use trees as a house?
Horses.
Squirrels. What else?
Monkeys.
Monkeys.
Bugs.
Okay, bugs. They're insects, but okay.
Raccoon.
And reptiles. Lizards.
Raccoon.
Raccoons. What about birds?
Yes.
Birds use trees as houses. Also, we use plants as medicine as well. And like I told you, we make aspirin. Aspirin is a medicine we use for our head when we get a headache, right? Okay. Anthony, read number 2.
Plants
Provide.
home for birds, reptiles, and some mammals.
Okay, the letter B. Yeah, we just talked about this, right? They provide homes. Also for owls, too. Why do you think these animals choose to live in a tree and not somewhere else? What's useful? What's an advantage of them living in a tree? Sandra. Why do you think birds want to live in a tree and not on the ground? Okay, maybe they like trees more than other places. Why do you think, Oscar?
Because tree has food.
Okay, they have food that's ready for them to eat. What else, Ellen?
Birds eat bug.
Okay, just like what Oscar said. Anthony?
Birds have nests on trees.
Okay, why do you think they build nests
Because
high in the tree?
Because nests in the ground, that another animal eats a nest and a little bird.
Okay, for protection, right? It's not easy for other animals to eat the baby birds or the eggs, right? So they feel safe up there. And same thing for monkeys and other animals that live in trees, right? Okay. Bella, go ahead and read number 3, please.
If we have no plants, we would also have no meat, milk, and eggs. Because the animals that give us this food
Need. Yes, Yes, yeah, finish. No, there's a little bit left. Need plants for food. Yes. So if we had no plants, the animals that need plants would have no food.
Yes.
And we wouldn't have these animals, right? Okay, great. All right, please correct your answers. Put them back in your file, please. And I'll give you the stickers later. Okay, well, let's talk about handicaps. Remember we talked about handicaps?
Yes.
Okay, what kind of handicaps are out there?
No eyes.
People, well, they have eyes, but they
Blind.
can't use their eyes. Jackie, there are blind people.
And mute.
There are mute people and there are deaf people. Okay. Which handicap do you think is the most difficult handicap to live with? Ellen.
Eyes.
Okay,
Blind.
people who can't see, right? Blind people. Why do you think blind people have a difficult life? Can you give us an example?
Because don't see.
What can't they see? They can't see other people, right? Okay, that must be difficult. What else? Oscar? Sandra? Why would not being able to see be difficult?
Deaf and mute.
Okay, someone else? Anthony?
Deaf and mute are easy than blind because deaf is only don't hear, can see, and drive is possible.
It's possible to drive a car even if you're deaf. It's possible to drive a car even if you're mute, but
It is blind. It's impossible to drive a car.
yeah, it's impossible because you have to see other people when you're driving. What else can't you do if you were blind? Jackie?
It can't ride the bike.
Right, that would be very difficult to ride a bike. Anything else? So let's give everyone a chance. Bella? Any ideas? Sandra? Okay, well think about what you do
Watch
every
TV.
day. Watch TV. What do you
Study.
do? Study.
Cooking.
Cook. It'll be very difficult, right? To cook, study, or watch TV. Okay, so we think that's the most difficult handicap. Which one do you think is the second most difficult? Oscar. Would it be a mute person or a deaf person? What's your opinion?
Mute.
Mute. Why do you think being mute is more difficult than being deaf? Why do you think so? Okay, well, if you're mute, you can't speak, you can't talk, you cannot share your ideas, right? If you have a funny story, can you tell your friend?
But,
Yes.
but it can write and give
Right.
others.
Very true. We can write words and express our ideas or talk to people by writing words, exactly. If you're mute or you're deaf, you can do that, right? But he thinks being mute is more difficult, okay? All right, any other ideas? Yes.
And mute is